spray paint stardom. I met mad people, only few were friends, cause they stayed true even when I had no ends. Now A1 and Toxic, it gets no closer. 3 the arts way on the fashion motor poster. Limelight up in it, Roxy's and Danceteria. OJ's, I ran it by the hour, hung in areas with millionaires before I even saw 20 with my savoir faire. I was scooping all the honeys. It's funny how curiosity killed the cat in me so happily. I was making G's overseas with satisfaction. Now my lifestyle's in action because of positive plans. I made it happen on the worldwide. No lie, that's where I reside. If I gets to bouncing, baby, you should understand why. I love the life that I lead and lead the life that I love. I put my peoples on so we could all have fun. Now Craig O knows the map, his passport is stabbed, and DJ Rock and Rob got the beats in the stash. Dr. Shock, he blew up the spot in CX. The Suriname flavor is hot. Easy G, where you at, baby? Lonnie, Lon, June, Darryl, and Sport Billy's in the house, turning it out without a doubt. And it's like that buck wild style with the crowd. Stout, drinking, barbecue going, creating and innovating without even knowing. Now cloudy days are in the past. Sun shines here and it's gonna last. Now if you don't know yet, then it's best to ask, what's hip hop, baby? Extra mad fat. This is what I love to do, so you know Kool Koor's international. I got love for my peoples all over the globe. Where you at? Here we go. This is what I love to do, so a brother like me is international, right? I got love for my peoples all over the globe. Where you at, baby? Here we go. This is what I love to do, so you know Kool Koor's international. I got love for my peoples all over the globe. Where you at? Here we go. The whole NYC, where you at? Here we go. In Suriname, where you at? Here we go. The Virgin Isles, where you at? Here we the whole worldwide, where you at? Here we go. Best believe hip hop is building overseas, like in Belgium.